G'day, today on the bench we've got a Crown XLS1002. It does power up, but it's got no audio output and no display. So let's rip it apart and see what's going on. Alright, so first things first, visual inspection. So when I power it up, I wonder if these two speaker relays click. There's a power relay up there too. Alright, well, let's power it up and see what happens. Let's see how far we get. Okay, so the fan spun briefly, so it does power up somewhat, but there's nothing on the display, no menus or anything. Did I hear a relay click? There would be no relay clickage. Now, I've noticed that, let me zoom out, over here, there's my pointing stick, VCC minus, VCC and ground. Right, so, let's get my multimeter, set it up so you can see it, and let's have a look what we've got. Right, power on, VCC plus, ground. What do we got? 63 volts. Don't want to come across that. Okay, that's a good sign. Right, so I've connected a signal up with the function generator, and I've connected a little test speaker. Now, while I was doing that, I was having a look at the ribbon cable down in here that goes to the main display, and I simply reseated it. Now, just after reseating that cable, it seems as though potentially that may have actually fixed the issue. So I've noticed now, when I turn the amplifier on, I hear 2 clicks, I get Crown come up on the screen, and ooh, okay, potentially, I don't know if that's a good noise or not. Let's just unplug that input, and I doubt that's what's coming out of my signal generator. Oh, maybe it is. Yeah, 100 Hertz. No, let's go a bit higher than that. Let's go 1 kilohertz. That's probably a bit more friendly for that pissy little speaker, hey? Turn it back on again. Click, click, 2 relays. Hey, look at that. Could it be, I think, potentially, if you have issues with this amplifier, well, certainly in this case, you'd try reseating this ribbon cable. Alright, let's put some actual audio signal into this. Something that is not going to set off copyright flags, hey? Yeah, that looks like I'm getting some signal in. Alright, let's bring up channel 1. Wow. Okay. Well, this is yet another boring repair video, isn't it? Reseated a ribbon cable. If you enjoyed this video, or if it helped you, Please like and subscribe. See you next time. Hopefully we get to repair something for real. Catch ya. A little test